This valley was formed by a volcanic eruption. The soils are fertile and the climate is subtropical, so all year round we tree. Camps run by Japanese military in Indonesia. Many people died of starvation, and he told the story that when he and his fellow prisoners were weak and starving, that they could see bright tropical fruits growing just past the fences, just out of reach. Indonesian locals would risk their lives and pass fruit through the fences. When he survived and eventually found his way to this patch of land, he spent his life planting thousands of fruit trees. He often said that no one would ever go hungry again. He planted them in public spaces and roadsides, and to this day, grand fruit trees grow all over this area. How lucky I am. I received these gifts from him that seem to transcend time.
This orchard of fruit has to be one of the most delicious. They taste kind of like a watermelon. I don't know how else to describe it.
Back. So in stewarding the land, I nurture these trees and soil and mountains just as they nurture me. Each season brings a new flavour, and now in the forest. When our grandparents moved here, the land was degraded and overfarmed, but in just 60 years they slipped. And in the southern slopes, our parents and grandparents have helped the native rainforest to restore.
It has a ripe mango on it, which is wild. Mangoes never ripen on the tree, you always pick them and then they ripen, but there's a few favourite fruit in the world. I think it's my favourite food in the world. Gotta get the sap off because it will stain. And close. That one's almost ready to eat.
And thousands of different varieties of fruit all over the farm.
I'm so excited. You can spot a few mangoes in the tree that the flying foxes have already come and started to eat, so I think I need to pick most of them today. Just a fruit.
Our grandfather loved the rare fruits of his childhood in Indonesia, so when he moved here, selling fruit trees to others, so he'd travel all up the east coast of Australia to collect seeds and seedlings and grafts. And he tried to grow every tropical fruit available. Some didn't work, like durian or purple mangosteen, but so many did work.
Got it! That's my technique where I don't pull on this, which cuts the stem, but if you just shake it for long enough, it should come out if it's ready to go. Many mangoes, and it's been rainy enough to keep the farm happy and no drought, and all of the trees are going well, but the jackfruit especially needs a lot of rain to fill out. Mango on the farm, there's so many different ones, so I think I always get it wrong because they're all so confusing, but I think these ones are Kensington Prides because they're long, and on the farm which are really long and skinny, and they kind of look like a banana but they're a mango, and they kind of have a taste that's a bit different. My special girl. How's Aphrodite? Hi, you two are always arguing with cats. You gotta let me pet your brother as well. Blank old, and these guys were born last good mango season in the big drought, weren't you? They are self-shedding sheep, so that's why they have these dags of wool coming off. And in the summertime, they lose their wool. Like, your boy's not that good at losing his wool and things like that because it's not the same filaments. Hi. Can I get you fur off? Oh, buddy. Oh. I may have lied about mangoes being my favorite fruit because lychees come a close second, or maybe they are my favorite fruit. They are so yummy. They're so juicy. And one of these trees, I forget which one, produces a lot of tiny little chicken tongue seeds, we call them, because they look like a chicken tongue.
В грудном отделе есть небольшой разворот корпуса. Расслабься. Угу. Вот это плечо несколько левое вперед уходит, задняя лопатка назад. Соответственно, плечо, сустав несколько спереди развернут. Мы с этим тоже будем работать. Наклонить голову, просто голову. И седьмой шлем у нас выбирает чуть больше нормы. Остеопатии и мануальной терапии, в чем разница? Ну, есть раздел в остеопатии, трастовый, его книга «Остеопатия. Исследования и практика», рекомендую к прочтению. Вот, там сегодня покажу кое-какие книги, прочитал описание. Захватывается так, вытягивается, хорошо. Вытягивается таз, пояснично-крестцовый отдел. Один из вариантов. Расслабься, вдох сделал. Молодец. Так, в другую сторону пол. Здесь вправляется сочленение с позвоночником, с позвонками. Расслабь. Угу. Да. Так, ложите чуть-чуть. Вот так. Угу. Так, чуть-чуть ближе таз. Даже до грудного доходит, до среднего грудного лопатку. Когда вытягиваешь ребра, тоже сочленение с грудным отделом, с грудными позвонками очень хорошо вытягиваются. Так, это в принципе аналог приема. Ложись на живот. Ручки вдоль.
Una galaxia quiero yo, bebé.
Y ahora sí me siento muy feliz.
En las calles terminando llorando. Si la gente síganme. Debes hallar. Y ahora voy a revelar lo que en tal necesidad que mata el amor. Tiren regalitos, mis vidas. Tiren a... No, dice.
Clientes que não se controlam, é isso. Mas também só no sentido que meu braço aqui gritando de